Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find out which sneaker suits you the best on the GOAT application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings at the top. After that, you should scroll down to the shoe size section, tap on it. Here you should select your category, men, women, youth, infant. And then tap on the relevant one. Here you should select the brand, Nike, Air Jordan, Adidas, Vans, Gucci, Balenciaga, Reebok, and so on. Select your country, US, UK, EU, France. So tap on the relevant one. Then you should select your size. And then tap on the Save My Size button down below to add your size to see the best prices across the app. So as you can see, it has been updated, but you can edit it anytime by coming back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.